अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रये भीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 112, topic number 202. शौच संतोषः तपस्वाध्यायेष ईश्वर प्रणिधानानि तपस्वाध्यायेश्वर प्रणिधानानि नियमाः. The author Sadananda presenting that Brahmabhyasa and Samadhi Abhyasa for the assimilation of the Vedantic teaching. Having elaborately explained the Samadhi Abhyasa, now he is coming to Ashtanga Yoga steps one by one. Brahmabhyasa means remaining in that Aham Brahma Asmi by recollecting the same Mahavakya again and again. That is called Brahma Abhyasa. Abhyasa means repeatedly saying to oneself, Aham Brahma Asmi. There is no doubt in this. Doubtless, doubt-free knowledge is called Brahmabhyasa. When it is possible, when a student is Uttama Adhikari, qualified with Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, Viveka Vairagya, Shamadamadi Shatka Sampatti, such a student who studies systematically, consistently, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Prakarana Grandhas, systematically. Systematically, without absent and artham. Such a student with qualifications, systematic study, and yes, Shravana Kale eva, while listening itself, such a student can attain that Aham Brahmasmi Jnana. Because of previous practice of Ashtanga Yoga from childhood, Upasana, Bhakti, all are there abundantly, very pure in heart. Such a student, while listening itself, clarity comes, crystal clear knowledge. That is called Brahmabhyasa Shravana Kale eva. But some people without qualifications, abundantly, qualifications are there, but not abundantly, sufficiently. Because lack of grasping, lack of retention, lack of capacity, intellectual capacity, or lack of vairagyam sufficiently. Deha vasana will continue. Childhood problems, suppose, psychological obsessions, if they are there, this knowledge will not sink in the intellect completely. Because of that, that person is not able to get the benefit of that knowledge. So Shastra teaching stand separately. This person, misery, samsara, problems stand as it is. So like oil in the water. Oil in the water will never mix, no. But water in the milk, how it mixes. Like that, samadhi abhyasa is required for some students. That samadhi abhyasa, while sitting in the form of meditation, deep absorption, one has to do deliberate practice. Just Vedantic meditation is also not sufficient. Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam itself is sufficient, we the Advaitins says. Whereas this author is introducing Samadhi Abhyasa also, those who are having Deha Abhimana, very, very powerful Deha Abhimana is there. Attachment with one's own body and Viparita Bhavanas are there. For this person, ordinary Nididhyasanam is not sufficient. So he has to do rigorous Ashtanga Yoga Abhyasa. That's why better to do Ashtanga Yoga before going to Shastra. Pandla Shastra padikkum bodadu pannanum. Olunga pannanum. Okay. Meditation Abhyasa is very, very important. In the Ashtanga Yoga, Samadhi is the Nirvikalpaka Samadhi. In the Jnanam, he can own up. That is the 9th culmination of 8 steps of Ashtanga Yoga. This is a very unique point he is bringing here. We have never seen until now. I have also not mentioned anywhere in other texts. Context has not come. What he says, Nirvikalpaka Samadhi is the culmination for all the 8 steps of Ashtanga Yoga. Nirvikalpaka Samadhi is the culmination of all the 8 steps of Ashtanga Yoga. 8 steps of Ashtanga Yoga, they are Yama, number 1, we saw in the last class. Niyama, number 2. Asana, number 3. Pranayama, number 4. Pratyahara, number 5. Dharana, number 6. Dhyana, number 7. Savikalpaka Samadhi, number 8. So now author is explaining, if you want to get that Nirvikalpaka Samadhi to own up this Aham Brahmasmi Mahavakyam, you have to go through all these 8 steps. Then culmination is possible. Yoga Abhyasa, by just Asana Pranayama Dhyanam, you don't get it. Nirvikalpaka Samadhi is not possible. Nirvikalpaka Samadhi is possible when you follow each step thoroughly. Thoroughly you have to follow. What are all those steps? He is explaining elaborately one step. We are very familiar, Yama Niyama, ella theriyum Swamini, ungalku ellame arachina maave arikkadungo nu solladungo. But I never feel bored while teaching these Yama Niyamas. Umpteen times, hundreds of times, I love to teach these things. Because these are the bricks like cement. You put bricks and putting cement. The more you listen to Amaniyamas in this Ashtanga Yoga, the more you are refining your mind. What are those yamas? He said, yam means is in the form of nivritti, what you have to avoid. Withdrawal, artham. Yamaha. Yam means to restrain. Restrain yourself from certain things. From violence, you restrain. Never hurt. Avoidance of untruth. You restrain from untruth. Avoidance of lies is called satyam. Asteyam. Non-stealing. In Sanatsu Jatayam, Sanatsu Jata gives a different definition for Asteyam. If you own up Anatma, you are thief. He says. If you claim you are Anatma, body, mind, complex, you are following steyam anardha, stealing anardha. If you follow that aham brahmasmi, aham atma asmi chonnada, you are following asteyam. Very, very unique definition. We are going to see that only in camp again. Next camp. In Aparoksha Anubhuti, entirely another definitions Shankaracharya gives. See how that Acharyas look at the same Yamanemas in a different angles. So now he says, Asteya means not possessing anything which is not legitimately belong to you. Not possessing anything. Anything means anything. Either person, any relation, any object, any possession. If you try to claim even money, if you try to claim you want to acquire that which is not legitimately belong to you, you are violating the asteyam value. If I violate, what will happen? I have to pay the price, knowingly or unknowingly. If you violate the asteyam value, non-stealing, you have to pay the price. In the form of what? Mental turmoil. Ella pain mental turmoil ultimately. Okay. All mental turmoils are nothing but the violation of all values. All are one or two or three. So one has to be very careful how important values are. Asteyam, brahmacharyam, maidhuna varjanam, all forms of inappropriate sexual relationships. Manasa, vacha, karmana. At the level of thought, word and deed, all sorts of inappropriate relationship with opposite sex, one has to be very, very alert, vigilant, brahmacharyam, or chastity, purity, sexual purity, sexual chastity. Then aparigraha, last class we saw, avoidance of unnecessary hoarding, amassing wealth, amassing things, amassing money, lot of money. That called aparigraha. Parigraha means amassing wealth. Not amassing or hoarding the wealth is called aparigraha. Parigraha na accumulation. Accumulation. Na parigraha aparigraha. Less luggage, more comfort. Then you can have high thinking. If you have lot of possessions, thinking will become very less. If you have less possessions, your quality mind is available. Therefore, aparigraha, high thinking. So, himsa varjanam, illa varjanam. Asatya varjanam, varjanam is giving up. Asatya varjanam, steya varjanam, maithuna varjanam, parigraha varjanam. What it means? Kamya nishiddha karmebhyaha nivrittihi in artham. Kamya means materialistic pleasures for materialistic things. Pravritti won't be there for a person who follow yama. Nivritti. Kamya karma. Kamya karma for materialistic benefits. Kamya karma, materialistically active. Nishiddha karma means active in prohibited actions. Prohibited by the scriptures, those actions is very active. That is called nishiddha karma. So, kamya karma, nishiddha karmibhyaha, nivrittihi eva, yamaha. Now we We are seeing into niyamaha, shaucham, cleanliness. Up to here we saw in the last class. Okay, revision over. Shaucham means cleanliness, purity at all levels. This comes under niyamaha, pravritti. You have to go towards. Yamas to avoid. Shaucha, avoidance or implementation. Implementation. Shaucha means shuch dhatu. Religious shaucham is called as madi acharam. Religious shaucham is called madi acharam. So, or orderliness also can be called as shaucham. Cleanliness at body level, mind level, verbal level. To a possible extent. Okay? To a possible extent. 4 times we eat. 2 times bath. 1 time poduna. In Madras la thanni problem. 2 times bath compulsory, especially Vedantic student. 2 times. Of course, sannyasis we have to take bath 3 times. Minimum 2 times. Oru right bath, it is not sampradaya. It is not paddhati. Though sick person, very old person, he cannot take, that's a very vishayam. But 2 times compulsory bath is must. Shaucham. Why shuddhama irkanam? What we are eating, ahara shuddhata, vak shuddhata, kopam vanda enna artham? Ashaucham enna artham. Manasika ashaucham. Verbally abusing words, if I use, it is vak ashaucham. Therefore, shaucham is very important. Then santosha. Be happy. Yallabhase nija karmo patam vittam tena vinodaya chittam. Have your job, earning money, say enough for me. Truptiya iru, santoshma iru, anandama iru. Retired and I am retired. Happily you can say, declare I am retired. Not tired, I am retired. I have time to do so many things. I am very happy. This person on the other hand think, nobody is giving importance to me in my house. Therefore let me work. Let me acquire more wealth. Present day competition world, this money is not sufficient. Therefore, extra work. Who is the poor man and who is struggling for money all the time is a poor man. In spite of richness. Poor rich man. Poor rich man and in spite of having sufficient money, ippume sufficient illa pattadu. And he spends the whole energy, time in that and struggling, overtime, working and earning lot of money. Not simplifying the life. Not teaching to the family members how to live a simple life. On the other hand, he runs like a rat race. Run panni, panam, very tension, anxiety, and violating all that, madi acharam. Della madi acharam enna artham? Irukka vendiyது எது பண்ணக்கூடாதோ எந்த கர்மாக்கள் பண்ணக்கூடாதோ அதெல்லாம் பண்ணுவா பணத்துக்காக. பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா ஒரு 10 நாள்ல பேப்பர்ல பணத்துக்காக என்னென்ன பண்ணுவா? தனம் தனம் மூலம் இதம் ஜகத்தன்னு சொல்லுவா தேவண்ணா. ஆல்வேஸ் தனம், மணி இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், மணி இல்லைன்னு ஒன்றும் ஆகாதுன்னு சொல்லிகிட்டே இருப்பான். சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் நத்திங் டூயிங். Even if money comes, you will become more insecure. If you have more money, you become more insecure, more unhappy also. Our people already warned us. What happened? More money, and now where is he, that person? Where is he? Behind bars. Within fraction of time, change. Ella bhase nija karma upata. Edukahana. And the mind, it will become more and more extrovert. You cannot have a mind for studying. அது என்ன போஸ்ட்போன் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஆஃப்டர் 10 years I will become a sincere student, Swami. After 10 years I spend my time. After 10 years, who knows what is going to happen to your body, sense organs, energy, capacity, grasping capacity, retention capacity. This is called aviveka. Aviveka. பஷ்யன்னபின்ன பஷ்யத்து என்ன இப்படிதான். சந்தோஷம் இல்லாதனால் திருப்தியே இல்லை. That's why a person is content person is a rich person. சிம்பிளா இருக்கணும், ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். You know, when you wear that old clothes, they're so happy, no? அந்த old cloth துணி நல்லா துவச்சு மடிச்சு வச்சு அது கட்டி பாருங்க எவ்வளவு ஆனந்தமா இருக்குமோ. புதுசு கட்டினா ஒழுக்கு வர 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 இருக்கும். ஆமா, ஓல்டு தான், ஓல்ட் இஸ் கோல்டுன்னா அது மாதிரி. தென் கம்ஸ் தபஹா, சொல்லிண்டே போல, ஒரு வேல்யூ பேசிகிட்டே இருக்கலாம், ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். மாடரேஷன் இன் எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் கால்ட் தபஸ். இன் எவ்ரிதிங் மாடரேஷன். யுக்தாஹார விஹாரஸ்ய யுக்தசேஷ்டஸ்ய கர்மசு. இன் ஆஹார moderation, in vihara entertainment, moving with people, interactions, moderation. In earning money, moderation, very much moderation. Podum, whatever comes bonus, but I don't have any struggle for that earning. நிம்மதி எல்லாமே போனஸ் மாதிரி தான். அப்படி இருக்கணும், அது தபஸ். தென் ஸ்வாத்யாய. Swadhyaya means Swashakhopanishad, Gita, Rudram, Nama Sahasrakam. Prarthana, Vedika Prarthana, all comes under Swadhyaya. You can study the Veda which connects to your Shakha. Either Samavediyanna, Samavedam. Adharvanavedyanna, Adharvanavedam. Rigvedyanna, Rigvedam. Adhikku sambandhamana Upanishad Parayanam. Daily பண்ணணும். அப்புறம் கீதா பாராயணம், எவ்ரிடே கீதா பாராயணம் கம்பல்சரி படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். அட்லீஸ்ட் 1 or 2 chapters எவ்ரிடே பாராயணம். தென் ருத்ரம். ருத்ரம் ஆல்சோ ஒன் கேன் ஸ்டடி as ஸ்வாத்யாய. விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாம ஆல்சோ கேன் பி ஸ்டடிட் as ஸ்வாத்யாய. ஈவன் வேதிக் பிரேயர்ஸ், காயத்ரி ஜபா, ஆல் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் ஸ்வாத்யாய. Like that Swadhyaya. How? Not just Parayanam, with meaning. Yadeva Vidyaya Karoti Upanishada Tadeva Viryavatram Bhavati. Upanishad says Yadeva Vidyayana, with knowledge, with understanding. Shraddhaya Upanishada, with Shraddha. What I am going to get this Parayanam and all waste. I am already listening Mahavakya, no? என்ன மந்திரமும் ஒன்றும் தெரியாது, எங்கே சொல்றதுன்னு தெரியாது. உபனிஷத்து சொன்ன தத்துவபோதே டவுட்ஃபுல்லு. கண்டா பாட்டம் இருக்கணும். வேதாந்திக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு உபனிஷத் மந்த்ராஸ் மஸ்ட் பி கண்டா பாட்டம். பகவத்கீதா ஆல் 18 chapter மஸ்ட் பி கண்டா பாட்டம். தத்துவபோதா கண்டா பாட்டம் இருந்தா such a student, while listening the Shastra from the Guru, quotations here and there, when comes, he enjoys. He connects each shloka where it has been said. இல்லைன்னா ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் படிச்சு இது என்ன எங்கே வருதுன்னே தெரியாதுன்னு. அதுக்கு தான் பாராயணம். முன்னாடி இல்லை, நம்ம அந்த காலத்தில் பாராயணம் ஏன் வச்சிருக்கான்னா, லேட்டர் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஸ்டடி த மீனிங். அந்த மீனிங் படிக்கும் போது இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி பாராயணம் படிச்சு எல்லாம் கண்டா பாட்டமான ஈஸி ஃபார் யூ டு கோரிலேட் மந்த்ராஸ். எஸ்பெஷலி when you are going to study Brahma Sutra, all Upanishad must be thorough. All Upanishad, 10 Upanishads must be studied thorough. That's why Parayanam, I am chanting. Swami earlier வருவா, ஏதோ பார் டைம் பாஸுக்கு படிக்கிறேன்னு நினைக்காதுங்க. எவ்ரி டைம் ஐ கம் early, students come late. I am chanting. What about students? சாண்டிங் தானே சுவாமின்னு பண்ணுறான், அது டைம் பாஸுக்கு தான் அவங்களெல்லாம் படிக்கிறான், நம்ம எல்லாம் பிஸி, லெட் அஸ் கோ எக்ஸாக்ட்லி அட் தட் டைம்னு. நான் தப்பாக சொல்லலை, நீங்கள் வர முடியலன்னா ஆஃபீஸ் வேலை இருந்து அது வேற விஷயம். பட் டைம் இருந்து கூட வீட்டில் கிளம்பாமலே சாண்டிங் தானே అని நினைக்கக்கூடாது. அதுக்கு தான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் சொல்கிறேன் நான். டைம் இல்லாமலே வரலன்னா அது ஜென்யூன் ரீசன் இருந்தால் ஓகே, தட் இஸ். பட் சாண்டிங் தானே நினைக்கக்கூடாது. பிரம்மசூத்திரம் படிக்கும் போது அப்போ லிங்க் பண்ணுவோம் ஆயுஸ் என்னென்ன எங்கே சொல்கிற புரியாமலே. அதுதான் சுவாத்தியாய அத்யேதவ்யா. ஒன் ஹேஸ் டு study with the knowledge of that meaning. Parayanam gives highest benefit. That's why from young age our children should know this Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads and all by heart panna vekkadam. Minimum Vishnu Sahasranama begin, or Rudram we have to start, or Vedic prayers, Shanti mantras, Vedic prayers, then Bhagavad Gita, then Upanishads, like that one by one we have to make them to sit and do Parayanam. When they come for meaning, it is easy for them. What they will do otherwise? Let them by heart. அந்த ஏஜில் தான் பை ஹார்ட் பண்ண முடியும். இப்போ நீங்கள் நாங்கள் எல்லாம் பை ஹார்ட் பண்ணி என்ன வரும்? மெமரி பவர் ஆஃப்டர் 19-25 years யூ கேனாட் மெமரைஸ். வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். அந்த ஏஜ்லன்னா மெமரி இஸ் வெரி 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 ஈஸி. பவர்ஃபுல் மெமரி. தட்ஸ் வை டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் யுவர் சில்ட்ரன் நவ். அட்லீஸ்ட் make them to chant minimum Bhagavad Gita. Swadhyayam. Then Ishvara Pranidhanam. Surrender to the Lord. Shaucha, Santosha, Tapas, third one. Swadhyaya, fourth one. Ishvara Pranidhanam. Sharanagati. Ishvara Arpana Bhavana as a karta, as a doer, as a performer of an action. I am doing with Ishvara Arpana Buddhya. Any action, I remember the Lord. Any action. Even mundane job also, that earning money, for what sake? To take care of my body. Why I am taking care of my body? To get moksha, to get liberation. So that job will become what? Ishvara Arpana. The motive is what? I should not grumble there. While cooking food, kitchen la, I have to take care of my body for survival. What for? Dhanam, dharmartham. Dharmam, mokshartham. Purushartham, prapyartham. So you never feel any, this is inferior work. This work I don't like. I don't want to cook. Cooking. Swamini, எப்பவுமே நீங்க கிளாஸ் கேம்ப் வச்சுட்டே இருங்கோ. அங்கே குக் பண்ண வேண்டிய தேவையில்லை. So we should not dislike any job what we are doing, because all are meant for that only. Even cleanliness, cleaning our own house, our own things, wherever I am staying, all meant for finally liberation sake. Keep that motive, attitude. Then you don't feel tiredness, boredom, and you love that work. Because you are doing with Ishvara Arpana Buddhi. The attitude is different. As a bhokta, while you are enjoying, what buddhi? Prasada buddhi. Illa by heart at the parunga. Prasada buddhi. Prasadama edukare. Either pleasant result or unpleasant result. I am responsible for this. As a bhokta, as an enjoyer, I am responsible. I am ready to accept it. I have no any complaints. I have no complaints. So, that is Ishwararpana Buddhi. As a Karta, Ishwararpanam. As a Bhokta, Prasada Buddhi. So, according to Patanjali, now Niyamas over. Niyamas over. This is what Pravritti. You have to implement them. According to Patanjali, Ashtanga Yoga, Tapas, Swadhyaya, Ishvara Pranidhana put together Kriya Yoga. He says in a sutra, second chapter, first sutra, Tapas, Swadhyaya, Ishvara Pranidhana Kriya Yoga. He says, This Kriya Yoga is given in that sutra. Tapas is very popularly used by this Kriya Yoga, Paramahamsa Yogananda, to purify the mind. To purify the mind. They give intense practice and all. சாப்பிடக்கூடாதல்ல சாப்பிட்டு பண்ணக்கூடாதல்ல பண்ணி எக்கச்சக்கமான இம்பியூரிட்டி இருக்கும். என்ன பண்றது? அங்கே போய் வாஷ் ஆஃப் பண்ணணும். That's why Kriya Yoga is not invented by Paramahamsa Yogananda. Understand? All practices, any Sahaja Yoga, SKYF, NYF, any practice by any person are all offshoots of Ashtanga Yoga only. Any practice of yoga is an offshoot of Ashtanga Yoga. They are not coming newly. Therefore, this is Nitya Naimittika Karmasu Prerayanti. By tapas, swadhyaya, ishvara pranidhana, kriya yoga abhyasa, what they do, Nitya Naimittika Karma, this person will take up. For that sake only. Next topic. 203. Up to here, Yama Niyamas over. Number 3 is going to come asana. What is asana? That he is going to explain here. Kara charanadi samsthanam Vishesha lakshanani Padma swastikadini Asanani. Third step of Ashtanga Yoga is asanam. Asana means any posture, body posture. Person can sit firmly, comfortably for a length of time. That means asana siddhi in artham. So to listen Shastra for 1 hour without any disturbance, you require asana siddhi. Chairla உட்கார்ந்தா என்ன ஆசன சித்தி வரும்? கஷ்டம். మరి இப்போ முடியாது, என்ன பண்றது? ஆஃப்டர் சர்டன் ஏஜ் முட்டி வலி, டாக்டர் சேஸ் டோன்ட் சிட் டவுன் அண்ணா. வாட் டு டூ? யூ ஹேவ் டு சிட் இன் த சேர். So from childhood you have to develop that asana siddhi. Because of our job, the way of working, lifestyle is making us unable to sit down. Lifestyle has changed nowadays. So asana siddhi is required. Samsthana means posture. Visheshanani means varieties. Lakshanani, characterized. Asanas, postures are those which are characterized by many variations. Varieties of asanas are there. Hundreds of asanas are there. For nididhyasanam or samadhi abhyasa, 1 or 2 asanas if you practice enough. The asana means there are 2 meanings. The where you sit is also asana. ஆசனம் கொண்டு வா அண்ணா, சின்ன ஆசனம் போட்டு உட்காருது, பாய் போட்டு உட்காருது ஆசனம். அண்ட் பாடி போஸ்டர் இஸ் ஆல்சோ கால்ட் ஆஸ் ஆசனம். இப்போ now which asana you will take depends on context. Here asana means what? Body posture. That's what we have to take here. Body posture. Sthiram, Patanjali says, Sthiram chiram sukham asanam. Comfortable, steady, long time if you sit, it is called asanam. எந்த ஆசனம் நம்ம உட்கார முடியும் சொல்லுங்க? மூவ் பண்ணாமலே கொஞ்ச நேரம் பண்ண உட்காரதே கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, ஆசனம் வேற. அதுக்குதான் அஷ்டாங்க யோகம். In children they don't listen. Elders they cannot do. Who will do? Youngsters are busy. The teacher only does all the time. Anyhow, Okay. Kara charanadi samsthanam. Kara means hands. Charana means padam. Their position, posture. Kara charanadi samsthanam. Now you have to note one point here. In previous two topics, he kept that inverted commas. Ahimsa, Satyam, Asteyam, Brahmacharya is inverted commas. Next topic also, 202 also in inverted commas. Now here there is no inverted commas. That means wherever there are inverted commas, that is lifted from the original anartham. Patanjali Yoga Sutralandu appadi bodily he lifted in this. Ahimsa, Satyam, Asteyam, adi quotation. Shaucha, Santoshaya, Tapaswadhyaya. But this is 203 is not quotation. It is not quoted from any text. Just he is writing. But it is said, quotation is there in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Asanam. Stiram, Chiram, Sukham, Asanam. But he is not, he has given only his own explanation. Okay, therefore there are no quotations here. Karam means hands, Charanam means legs, Adipadat, all other thighs, knees, shoulders, everything, other organs of the body. What are the postures? Padma Swastikasanadini. Padmasan, not Badmasan, but Padmasan. Okay, people call it as Badmasan. Papa, Ba, Allah, one letter, no, Tamil, no. Badmasan. Padmasan it is. Okay, P-A, Pa, not B-A, Ba. Padmasan. Padmasan means, you know, now I am not going to show any asana. Okay. Swastik asan, keeping one leg on the other. That is also swastik asan. They are called asanas. Next topic, you know what comes? Pranayama. Fourth topic. See, body steadiness is there. Pranayama you can do in a rhythmic manner, and if you are able to do pranayama thoroughly, your mind can be relaxed and quality mind is available. That is the intention here. What is pranayama? 204 we'll read. Rechaka puraka kumbhaka lakshanaha prana nigrahopayaha pranayamaha. Pranayama means Rechaka, Puraka, Kumbhaka. Rechaka means in leaving exhalation. Rich dhatu. Rich in English rich kadayadu. Sanskrit rich. Rich means to leave, to exhale. Rechakam. Purakam, to fill up. Inhale, inhalation. Rechakam means exhalation. Purakam means inhalation. Kumbhakam, retention. Retention of the air. Either Bahya Kumbhakam or Antara Kumbhakam. If you inhale and hold the breath, it is Antara Kumbhakam. If you exhale and hold the breath, it is Bahya Kumbhakam. Rechaka, Puraka, Kumbhaka, Lakshanaha. These are the three. No? Lakshana means it is characterized by, said as Prana Nigraha Upayaha. This is the upayaha means a technique. A technique to regulate. Nigraha means not stopping but regulation. Pranayama man chunnale regulation of the breathing. Who's breathing? Our own breathing. வீட்டில் நிறைய வேலை சொல்லி மூச்சு வாங்காதீங்க. அவ்வளோ அதர் பீப்புள்னி உயிர் வாங்காதீங்க என்ன அர்த்தம்? We give lot of work to other people and we never allow other person to breathe properly. Taking more work from other person. பாவம் tired ஆகி as though they are staying for our sake only, இதை வேலை பண்ணுறதுக்காக இருக்கிற மாதிரி நினைக்கக்கூடாது. Other person also need some rest. So regulation of the breath. Pranayama. Rechakam is a pranayama. Rechaka pranayama, Puraka pranayama, Kumbhaka pranayama. All three put together, Nadi Shuddhi pranayamam. There are 5 pranas, you know. Apana, pranam, apanam, vyana, samana, udana. Nadi Shuddhi pranayama will take care of all 5 pranas, each prana taking one system of the body. Prana is taking care of respiratory system, apana is taking care of excretory system, samana prana is taking care of the digestive system, udana prana is taking care of expulsory system, and vyana prana is taking care of circulatory system. All these pranas are taken care of. How Ramana Maharshi says, Vayu rodhana liyate manaha. If you control, regulate your breathing, manaha liyate. How? Jala pakshiva drodha sadhanam. Jala pakshina. Just as a bird is just caught in that jalam, the net. Pakshi enna agum aprom? It loses its movement. Its movements are curtailed. Bird movements are curtailed by that net. Similarly, your prana regulation net curtails your mind movements. Adha, whenever you are restless, you are anxious, anxiety is there, take deep breath. Idhar paper la vandu irukku. All of you take deep breath. இது என்னப்போ சொல்லி வச்சிருக்கேன் நம்ம பெரியவங்க எல்லாம். பிராணாயாமம் பண்றோன்னா அதெல்லாம் பண்ண மாட்டேன். இப்போ பேப்பர்ல வந்தா எவ்ரிபடி பிராக்டிஸ். அதே சுவாமினி உட்கார்ந்து சொன்ன என்ன பண்றது? ஓகே. என்ன வாயுரோதனா லீயதே மனஹா ஜாலபக்ஷிவத்ரோத சாதனம். That's the nice shloka is there in Upadesha Sara. Chittavayava chitkriyayutaha shakhayordvayi shakti mulaka laya vinashane ubhayarodhane layagatam puna bhavati nomritam. Next text is Upadesha Saram. I will explain there. Okay. Next topic. 205. Indriyanam swasva vishayebhyah pratyaharanam pratyaharah. Indriyanam. Indriyanam means sense organs. Swasva vishayebhyaha, from their own corresponding objects. Eyes, sense organs from forms and colors. Ear, sense organs from sounds. Nose, smell, sense organ from smell, vasanas. And tongue, sense organ from taste. Touch organ from the skin organ from the touch. You have to withdraw. When? Not all the time. When you are doing abhyasa, at least. Abhyasam பண்ணும்போது withdraw. Swasva vishayebhyaha pratyaharanam, withdrawing. Prati plus a plus hru dhatu, pratyaharanam. Pratyaharanam. Prati plus a plus hru dhatu. Ahara illa. Okay, pratyaharanam, withdrawal of the senses is called pratyaharanam, is called pratyaharaha. Very, very important practice. Next topic. Now, how many over? 5 over. Yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara over. Now comes dharana. 6th one. Advitiya vastuni. Antarindriya dharanam. Dharana. Dharana means fixing the mind, focusing the mind. Dhru means to hold. Holding the mind, fixing the mind on a particular object of meditation. Our mind is always holding one thought or the other. Mind is the locus, and the thought arises, you see, either verbal thoughts or audio thoughts or video thoughts. Video thoughts are therimo. Now see this flower, yellow flower. So yellow flower thought. The pushpakara vritti. Pushpakara vritti, ghatakara vritti, akara vritti and a thought. The thought will take of that form. It holds that form. And next another form it will catch, it hold on to that form. Or dialogue, the sounds it holds. Elephant trunk madri. Always holding something or other. அது ஹோல்ட் பண்றது ஏதோ நல்ல பகவான் நாம ஹோல்ட் பண்ண நல்லது. Instead of holding the local people, local objects, hold on to Bhagavan, hold on to Mahavakya. Dhru means fix your mind. The thought akandakara vritti, akara karita anu sonnar. Akandakara vritti, akarita. Our mind has to, mind means here thought. Okay, thought anu solradilla eppovume. The mind lo var thought mind anu koopidrom. Okay, and the thought has to take the brahmakara vritti. That is advitiya vastu. Here advitiya vastu, secondless vastu is what? Advitiya vastu, secondless vastu is Brahman. Who is that Brahman? Aham atma gudakesha. Naneda. Naneda. Enna OCya RCya RMA? OC. RC RM anu sonna avladha. Samsara continues. Advitiya vastuni. What to do on that Brahman? Antara indriya dharanam. Pratyaharanna bahya indriya nigraha. Ipo antara indriya ennardham? Buddhi, manasu, chitta, ahankara. That's why it is called antaha karanam. Purinchukongo. Karanam anna instrument. Pen is a karanam. I use it. Okay. Pot is a karanam. I use it. Book is a karanam. I use it. Eyes are karanam. I use them to see forms. Ears are karanam. I use them for listening the sound. Manas, buddhi, chitta, ahankara is antaha karanam. It is an instrument used by me. The Radhi, Sarathi, Radhi, the Swami who is sitting in the body. Sarathi, the Buddhi is the driver. So I use that Buddhi, Manasu, Chitta, Ahankara, Antara Karanam, I have to hold. Holding to what? What I give? Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. Mind has to hold on to that with understanding. Sogam Brahma, Soham Brahma, Sokam Brahma, Soham Brahma, Saha Brahma, Ahamasmi. Saha Paramatma, Ahamasmi. After understanding, it is meaningful, not verbally. After thorough study of Bhagavad Gita Upanishads, Soham Brahma, Soham Vishnu, Soham Shambho Shankarana. Satyaswarupa Premanandana. Shanti Mantra Dayaka. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyamte Satma Savigneyaha. தத்துவமசி ஸ்வேதகேதோன்னு. யூ ஆர் தட், யூ ஆர் தட். அது தாரணா, அந்தரிந்திரிய தாரணம். That is called dharana, focusing, concentration, meditation. Eka rupa to aneka rupa to arupa brahma aham asmi. Puriyada travel ipo journey. All are in eka rupa travel ange nikirga. Aneka rupa na mudi maatingiradhu swamini. Elundukiradhe illa. Aneka rupa me puriyala. That's why mingle with people, love all people and learn more and more. Never stop talking with others and hiding. I don't want to mama bhai boochi na world annale bhayapadra sila per enakella transactions e venda swami. Ayyo naan vedanta student anna. Hey, vedanta student na, you have to love others and mingle with the people. You see them every atma swarupam. பத்திரமா இரு, கேர்ஃபுல்லா இரு, அவ்வளவுதான். அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பயந்தாங்குழி மாதிரி அப்படி பயமா உட்காரக்கூடாது. யூ கேன் நெவர் டெவலப் அநேக ரூப பக்தி. லவ், பி போல்ட், கரேஜியஸ், ஸ்மைலிங். If you smile, a whole world will smile. If you are furious, world also looks like that on. As you think, so you become. Okay, next one, dhyanam. Topic number 207. Tatra dvitiya vastuni vichidya antarindriya vrittih pravaha dhyanam. The author gives another new definition. What is dhyanam? Dharana over. Dharana over na over illa. Dharana has to lead to dhyanam. சில பேர் தாரணல உட்கார்ந்து they come back and over meditation ன்னு சொல்லுவார். Meditation not over. Whatever you have focused until now, you have to retain it. Retaining on the dharana vastu is called dhyanam. Ponder over, to meditate is called dhyanam. அந்த தியானம் கூட எப்படி? விச்சித்யா. கிருஷ்ண ரூபம் தியானம் பண்ணும்போது ராம ரூபம் வந்திருக்க, அது சாய்பாபா ரூபம் வரும். அவர் வராரு, இவர் வராரு. Because எக்கச்சக்கமா ஆல் போட்டோஸ் we are seeing and keeping everywhere. இது என்ன சுவாமி, இவர் தியானம் பண்ணும்போது அவரையும் வராரு, என்ன கஷ்டமா இருக்கே, என்ன தியானம் பண்ண முடியலையே, சரி ஒழுங்க சாஸ்திரம் படி பண்ண முடியும். விச்சித்யா என்ன அத்விதீய வஸ்துனி அகம் பிரம்மான்னு சொல்லும் போது, ஓகே, இது வேதாந்திக் மெடிடேஷனும். when I am telling aham brahma, what comes? I am wife, I am husband, I am employee, I am doctor, I am father, I am grandfather, my grandson will come and sit on my lap. Over. This vichidya. Again I remember, no, I am Brahman. Again I miss, I come to RC or RM. Again I come back, OC. Again it goes to RM, RC. Ahankaratalaku poidum, anatmalaku poidum. Tiripe I have to bring to Atma. Again it goes, ideda vali, poi vandendirkum. That's vichidya. இந்த தியானம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? Vijatiya pratyayas go on coming and again disturb us. Vichidya antarindriya pravaha. Antarindriya and the manasu buddhi chitta ahankara adulakulla pravaham, flow is going on. Not unobstructed flow, obstructed flow. Flow is there, but obstructed flow. இதெல்லாம் தியானம் பண்றவங்களுக்கு தான் தெரியும். சும்மா நான் கதை மாதிரி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். தியானம் பண்ண டெய்லி ஒரு ½ hour இந்த கஷ்டங்கள் எல்லாம் என்ன தெரியும். So the antarindriya pravaha, once that pravaha is unobstructed, it will become savikalpaka samadhi. அதான் சொல்றார். நெக்ஸ்ட், this pravaha vichidya pravaha பிரேக்கிங் அன்மாட்ட மிடில் பிரேக் ஆகிண்டே இருக்கு. சஜாத்திய விருத்தி கண்டினியூஸாக வராமலே விஜாத்திய விருத்தி வந்துடும் போது அது தியானம். சப்போஸ் இட் இஸ் அவிச்சித்யா, it is called samadhi, he says. Samadhistu uktaham savikalpaka heva. Now that thought, if it is unobstructed, not vichidya, it is taila dharavat. விஜாத்திய விருத்தி அனந்தரித்து சஜாத்திய விருத்தி பிரவாகா தியானம் சொல்லிருக்கா. அங்க தியானம் சவிகல்பக சமாதின்னு அர்த்தம். Slowly he has gone to that absorption. More time he is able to focus, no deliberate effort is there, but calmly he emerged in that Triputi has slowly one pointedness, only one is there. Sajatiya vritti is there. That is called savikalpaka samadhi. Absorption is there, vikalpas are there, but what vikalpam? Savikalpam. Vikalpena saha vartate. I am jhata, dhyanam is there, devata is there, meditation. Here what? Aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi. Continuous flow. But still Triputi is there. நிர்விகல்பக சமாதி வரல, இன்னும் சவிகல்பங்கள்ல உட்கார்ந்துருக்கா. அப்பப்போ ஆரம்பிக்கு ஆரிசிக்கு போயிட்டு கொஞ்ச நேரம் இங்க இருக்கிறது அஹம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சே, பட் ஸ்டில் ஐ ஆம் த ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் மெடிடேட்டிங் இஸ் தேர். நிர்விகல்பக சமாதி வரல, கல்மினேஷன் வரல. ஏன் வரலன்னா, பிகாஸ் தேர் ஆர் சோ மெனி ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கிள்ஸ். பாப்பா இவ்வளவு தூரம் வந்துட்டாரு, இன்னும் ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கிள்ஸ் இருக்கு, நிறைய ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கிள்ஸ் இருக்கு. அந்த ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் போனாதான் நிர்விகல்பக சமாதி வரும். Therefore, I will tell you what are all those obstacles. Next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi